Hello guys, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In this video, I'll show you how to enable TPM 2.0 and secure boot for Black Ops 7 and Warzone on an ASUS motherboard. First, open Windows Settings. Go to System and then select Recovery. Under Recovery Options, find Advanced Startup and click Restart Now. Your PC will restart and open the Windows recovery screen. On the blue screen, select Troubleshoot. Next, choose Advanced Options. Then select UEFI Firmware Settings and click Restart. Your computer will now boot directly into the BIOS. Once you're in the BIOS, enter Advanced Mode by pressing F7 if needed. First, let's enable Secure Boot. Go to the Boot tab and select Secure Boot. Set OS type to Windows UEFI mode. Then set Secure Boot Mode to Standard. Now Secure Boot is configured correctly. Next, let's enable TPM 2.0. Stay in Advanced Mode and go to the Advanced tab. Select AMD FTPM configuration. Find the firmware TPM switch option and set it to Enable Firmware TPM. This will activate TPM 2.0 on your system. Once you've completed both settings, press F10 or go to Save and Exit. Confirm the changes and allow your computer to restart. That's it. TPM 2.0 and Secure Boot are now enabled on your ASUS Motherboard for Black Ops 7 and Warzone. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.